Welcome everyone to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide on everything related to home buying and investment. We're here to shine a light on the sometimes murky waters of the real estate world, helping you to navigate with confidence and ease. HouseLux Estate is more than a channel. It's a platform dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about home buying and investment. Whether you're dipping your toes into the market for the first time, or you're an experienced investor looking to expand your portfolio, we've got you covered. From first-time home buying tips to advanced real estate investment strategies, we break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand nuggets of wisdom. Our aim is to demystify the process, making it as transparent as possible so you can focus on what matters, finding your perfect home. Today, we've got a great topic lined up for you: best investing strategies for first-time home buyers. First and foremost, understanding your financial situation is key. Now, when it comes to investing in a home, it's much more than just picking out a house you love. It's about understanding where you stand financially. Think of your financial situation as the foundation of your house. A stable foundation is essential for a secure and lasting structure. Similarly, a stable income is crucial for a secure financial future. It's the bedrock that supports your home investment. But just as a house needs more than a foundation, your financial situation needs more than just a stable income. It also requires a good credit score. A good credit score is like the walls of your house. It provides support and gives you the ability to access better mortgage rates and terms. And let's not forget about the roof of your house, which in our analogy represents savings. You'll need sufficient savings for a down payment, closing costs, and unexpected expenses. This is your financial shelter, protecting you from the rain of unforeseen costs. In essence, before you even start house hunting, you need to ensure that your financial house is in order. This involves having a stable income, good credit, and sufficient savings. It's about understanding where you stand, what you can afford, and what measures you need to take to secure your financial future. Once you have a clear picture of your financial situation, you can then start looking into different investment strategies. Next up, choosing the right mortgage. Now, the world of mortgages might seem a bit complex, but we'll break it down together. First, let's talk about fixed-rate mortgages. As the name suggests, the interest rate here remains the same throughout the entire life of the loan. This type of mortgage can be a good choice if you prefer consistency, as you'll always know exactly what your payments will be. It's a particularly attractive option when interest rates are low. Next, we have adjustable-rate mortgages, or ARMs. With this type, the interest rate is initially set for a certain period, usually 5 to 7 years. After that, the rate will adjust annually according to the market. You might consider this option if you plan to sell or refinance before the initial fixed-rate period ends. However, be prepared for the possibility of a higher payment if rates increase. Lastly, there are government-insured loans, such as FHA and VA loans. These loans are backed by the government and often come with lower down payments and credit requirements, making them a good fit for first-time home buyers or those with less than perfect credit. Now, how do you choose the best one? Well, it largely depends on your financial situation and long-term goals. If you're planning to stay in your home for a long time and want predictable payments, a fixed-rate mortgage could be the way to go. If you're not planning to stay long, an adjustable-rate mortgage might make more sense. And if you're a first-time home buyer or have credit challenges, a government-insured loan could be your best bet. Remember, though, that this is a big decision. Don't rush it. Take your time to understand each option, consider your future plans, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Choosing the right mortgage can save you tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Now let's move on to one of the most important aspects of real estate: location. When it comes to real estate, location isn't just a buzzword, it's the cornerstone of your investment strategy. You see, the location of your property can greatly influence its value both now and in the future. And that's why we say, location, location, location. Think about it. Two houses can be identical, but the one in a desirable neighborhood will always fetch a higher price. So, what makes a location desirable? Well, that's where things get interesting. Local amenities play a key role. A property near grocery stores, restaurants, parks, and other conveniences is likely to be more appealing to potential renters or buyers. It's all about lifestyle and convenience. The more amenities within reach, the more desirable the location becomes. School districts also matter, especially for families. A home in a top-rated school district can command a premium price, even if the property itself is just average. Good schools not only attract families but also contribute to the overall quality of the neighborhood. And let's not forget about future development plans. A quiet neighborhood may seem perfect now, but what if there's a plan to build a busy highway next door? On the flip side, a neighborhood might be underdeveloped today. But if there are plans for new amenities or infrastructure, your property's value could skyrocket in the future. So how do you research all these factors? Start with local government websites for information on zoning and development plans. Visit the area at different times of the day and week to get a real feel for the neighborhood. Talk to residents, local business owners, even the mail carrier. They can offer invaluable insights that you won't find online. In the end, remember this. When you buy a property, you're not just buying a house. You're buying into a community, a lifestyle, a future. And that's why location is so crucial in real estate. Remember, you can change a house, but you can't change its location. Before making your purchase, it's crucial to conduct a thorough inspection. Now, this isn't just about making sure the house looks nice. This is about ensuring the house is structurally sound, that the systems are in good working order, and that there are no hidden issues that could cause problems down the line. Let's start with the structure. You want to make sure the foundation is secure, the roof is in good shape, and that there are no major cracks or signs of water damage. This also includes checking the walls, the windows, and the doors. Next, let's talk about systems. This refers to things like the heating and cooling systems, plumbing, and electrical wiring. You want to ensure that these are not only in working order, but that they are up to date and meet safety standards. And lastly, potential issues. This could be anything from pest infestations to mold. These are things that might not be immediately apparent, but could become major issues if left unchecked. Remember, a home inspection isn't about nitpicking every minor issue. It's about identifying potential major problems that could cost you big in the long run. And it's not just about saving money. It's also about ensuring the house you're buying is safe and comfortable for you and your family. So don't skip this step. Hire a professional if you need to, because a thorough inspection can save you from costly surprises down the line. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We embarked on this journey with a clear understanding that the first step to buying your dream home is comprehending your financial situation. It's crucial to know your budget, assess your income, and calculate your expenses. This is the foundation of your home buying journey, and it will guide you in making informed decisions. Next, we delved into the world of mortgages. We learned that choosing the right mortgage is not just about finding the best interest rate. It's about understanding the different types of mortgages available and choosing one that aligns with your financial situation and long-term goals. Your mortgage choice can significantly impact your financial future, so it's essential to make a well-informed decision. Then, we took a virtual stroll through the mantra of real estate: location, location, location. The location of your home doesn't just determine your daily commute or the schools your kids will attend. It also plays a vital role in the value appreciation of your property. A strategic location can turn your home into a profitable investment. Lastly, we stress the importance of a thorough inspection before buying. Never underestimate the power of a good home inspection. It can save you from future headaches and unforeseen repair costs. An inspection gives you a clear picture of what you're getting into and ensures that your investment is sound. So there you have it, the key strategies for first-time home buyers. Understanding your financial situation, choosing the right mortgage, considering the location, and ensuring a thorough inspection. These strategies arm you with the knowledge to make wise decisions and get one step closer to owning your dream home. Thank you for joining us today on House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on home buying and investment. Until next time, keep striving towards your dream home.